you are the national president of the Popular Action Party. Can we have your impression about the voluminous consumption of alcohol by Cameroonian citizens?
Yes, as I said, many people involve themselves in alcohol for diverse reasons. Like I earlier said, Cameroon, statistics are proving that Cameroon is the third consuming alcohol country in the world. But the unfortunate aspect in it is that the other countries, which are maybe the first, second, and other lights, are countries that they are economically stable. We talk about Germany, we talk about maybe I don't know, Brazil, I don't know, but I know that those countries are countries that economically they have a strong stability. I think maybe with that aspect, they have a reason why they consume alcohol. Maybe with their economic fitness, they could have some justification. But now, coming back to the context in Cameroon, it is totally so frustrating. You will meet people at times drink. There is the late, let me take from what the late Charles Atibaye, one of the critics of the Biya regime, once said about alcohol, that Cameroonians, if you want to take statistics for a year, Cameroonians have consumed alcohol that is equivalent to the River Wuri. I mean, when we talk about River Wuri, the quantity of River Wuri, we were talking about 1,000 million liters of. So imagine with a country like ours, which is still at the verge of still emerging, it is totally frustrating. And when you meet people, you will find that they will tell you very often. Some people will say they drink alcohol because they want to wipe away some of their worries. Others will tell you that no, they drink alcohol because they want to be inspired. Others will tell you that alcohol is a form of maybe putting people together for them to actually communicate, and the communication goes, and so forth and so forth. But now, what really disturbs me is the fact that the manner in which the government has liberalized the sector, meaning that I have come to realize that the government of Cameroon encourages the drinking of alcohol because to them they have used it as a weapon, a political weapon to actually frustrate Cameroonians. That is, they go ahead to frustrate Cameroonians because to them, given the poor governance that we have, given the mismanagement of public funds, given the high level of embezzlement, given the meritocratic manner in which the Biya regime manages Cameroonians, and for the Cameroonians not to really put an eye to their frustration and the manner in which the government manages the affairs of the country, the government creates a liberal manner. Because I think for a country like ours, which is still developing, if we had a responsible government, that is a sector that they would have regularized, or they would have actually created a lot of. Because of recent, I saw a communique on social media how the presidency orders alcoholic drinks from a foreign country, that's France, with a huge sum of 1.5 billion and above to be imported during New Year, end of year festivity at to the palace. And imagine if a country where we all know the economic hardship that the country is undergoing, no electricity in so many areas, roads infrastructure very poor, water scarcity everywhere. The country itself is plunged in a total chaotic socio-political upheaval already undergoing the country, and coupled with a huge debt that we don't even know if my children will be able to pay, at a country where Cameroonians are already, I don't even want to mention the war that is ongoing. As I speak today, I'm talking about the war that Mr. Biya declared against the Anglophones. So with all those aspects, a responsible government will not disburse such a huge sum of amount of money just to import alcoholic drinks. And it tell you that if such an action is taken by a government, it boils down to give the type of mentality how Cameroon embrace it. And you realize that during periods where campaigns are on the eve of campaigns, you realize that the government gives room for drinks. People can give room for opportunity where people can buy alcoholic drinks and gain more bottles. You realize that, you see, that means they are happy to see Cameroonians drinking, of which we all know the consequences of getting drunk and the impact that goes alongside when someone is drunk. At the end of the day, the person becomes bankrupt. So it is a political tool that the Biya regime uses to really frustrate Cameroonians. So to me, a country that needs development, I think when you go to a country like Nigeria, there are just very few brewery products. You don't have so many like how we have in Cameroon. You go to other countries, Ghana and other like those English-speaking countries. I'm talking here in Africa. You won't really see people because what happens? Anybody. That's why in Cameroon here you realize that Cameroonians, it is difficult to actually carry out developmental programs to put in Cameroonians, to pass a developmental project in the minds of Cameroonians, to really sit them down, for them to think as Cameroonians, to see how we can move forward. The first thing that they know is that what everything to them is just festivity. They are going there, and that's what the government of the regime has been doing. The CPDM always do that in their rally, deceive people with bottles of beers and all the like, and people become frustrated and forget about their worries. And it is a situation that we need to really fight if actually we want to really develop our country, because there is no community, there is no individual that can be developed when your foundation is on alcohol. Because alcohol itself, we all know the consequences. It diverts your mind from thinking positively. It frustrates your pocket, because when people get the drink, not only getting drunk, they involve in so many other atrocities, or they involve or either you are a victim of the alcohol, or you carry out other atrocity acts that goes alongside of alcohol. Mean that victim in the fact that you can get drunk and you are attacked on the way, or your money or everything, or you might also get drunk and you carry out acts that you at the end you come to regret. So there can be no perfect development when people indulge themselves in alcohol. I think it is something that if we want to fix our nation, want to build our nation, it starts with the top. The government of Cameroon itself needs to actually regulate the sector.